Hi everybody, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I got my daily goodie box in the mail. This is one of the best freebies I get every month, and I'm going to list down below how you can get this as well, because there's numerous ways to get it. It is a monthly box, so I don't know why they call it daily goodie box, because we get it monthly, and it's a good monthly, not the bad monthly. Always comes packed just like this, with a little comment card, the blue tissue paper. I looked at everything and was very happy. So let me show you what we got this month for April 2021. Remember, you don't have to be a YouTuber to get this box. I mean, it helps, but I have to be honest. I once didn't answer their surveys. I did a video, and you know, it's not required to do a video, but I didn't answer the little monthly questions on each item, so I didn't get a box the following month. So you don't need to be a YouTuber. Just answer the surveys in time. Okay, the first item is a full-size product. It's called After Bites. It's an anti-itch cream for kids. But I gotta tell you, it's gonna be for adults too, because I get bitten every year by mosquitoes. It doesn't matter what I do, they love me. So I will definitely be using this product this summer. Let's see what it looks like. Me and opening things are sometimes a little challenging, and it's a little tube. 0.7 ounces. I've never heard of After Bite. It says it's cruelty-free, paraben-free. Please recycle the box. I will do that. Then we got not one, but two. Let me show you. You know what these are? It looks like medicine, you know, like a tube you'd get from a prescription. It's called Sprayology. And they're spray vitamins or vitamins. This one is a multi-nutrient vitamin for, it just says citrus berry flavor. So this is like an everyday multivitamin. And what you do is, I looked at this before coming on camera, you're supposed to spray 10 sprays in your mouth per day. And children, you would do 5 sprays. Go figure. And this one is vitamin D, also an oral spray. Never, you know, even heard of an oral spray vitamin kind of product. I'm interested in using it, and this is what it looks like. And it's sealed. So it's supposed to last for 1 month. So yeah, hey, I'm game. I'm game to try it. Then we got some CBD cream. I would say this is like a deluxe sample size. It's 1 ounce. Topical cannabidiol solution. It's a cream with menthol. It's cooling formula. It's probably good for, you know, sore aches, muscles, that kind of thing, joints. I'll try it out. It's by Shika, and it is sealed, which I like to see that. There's a seal on it. So it just, I don't know, I feel better getting things sealed, don't we all? Then they included, this is called Byzoli. It's a dark chocolate, it's a clean teeth candy. I have no idea what a clean teeth candy is. They're like caramels, Zoli caramels. No ordinary caramels. They are supercharged with erythritol and other smile-friendly natural ingredients. Okie dokie. I'm willing to try it. 8 pieces is 100 calories, and there's 3 servings in here. So this whole bag is 300 calories. That's kind of high. I mean, for a snack, but I'm willing to try it. I'm gonna open it with my son. Then they gave us Beyond Bacon vegan protein snack. It's gluten-free, it has 7 grams of protein, non-GMO, nut-free, vegan-free. I have no idea. You read all these buzzwords and it's like, okay, what am I really eating? You're eating sprouted mung beans, high oleic sunflower and or high oleic safflower oil, maple sugar, smoked salt. And it's free of any nut, soy, and gluten products. So yeah, interesting to try this too. This whole thing is 190 calories, so it better be good for 190 calories. All right, collagen powder. I do use collagen powder. I was using it and I stopped, and then like 2 days ago, I started drinking it again. It's supposed to be good for your skin. It's supposed to be good for your hair, your bones. So this is almost 5 servings in here. So if you're traveling and you don't want to bring your big jar of collagen powder, this is good to bring. I use collagen powder in water. Some people mix it in their coffee. I haven't tried that yet because I would hate to ruin a good cup of coffee, but it does dissolve very well in water. And you're supposed to drink collagen powder on an empty stomach for the best benefits. So yeah, it says scoop in any beverage, coffee, juice, or smoothies, stir, blend, drink it. Okay, so far they are batting 1,000. Then we got some plant-based tomato jerky. I tried this. This was in like 2 boxes ago. I didn't like eating this just straight. However, I did cut it up and put it into like chili I was cooking, soups. You can put it in salads. You just gotta like hide it in things and it's palatable. That's just my opinion. I'm not gonna sit around chewing tomato jerky. I just didn't like it. But this is actually sriracha hot. So if you don't like hot things, you probably won't like this. But it has 6 grams of protein, 6 grams of fiber, and so this has 10 pieces is serving size is 10 pieces. So it says there's 2 serving size, so probably like 20 pieces in here. And it's low calorie, 80 calories a serving, not survey, 80 calories. And then the last thing comes like this. It's all wrapped up. This is a goodie. This is good. It's a little glass bottle. Check that out. It is Crown maple syrup. It's 1.7 fluid ounces. That's nice size. It's bourbon barrel aged maple syrup. I love pancakes. I love waffles. I make pancakes. This is going on the pancakes next time I make them, probably this weekend. Hopefully I'll do that. I like to make big breakfasts on the weekend. This is really nice. I bet you this little bottle's pricey, but I'll go to the website and figure it out. It's made in Dutchess County, New York. New York is my home state where I was born and raised, so yay, New York. And that is it. Other than that, there's just some literature in here about some of the items we received. No coupons, but there was codes if you're interested in this Byzoli. What was the Byzoli? I think. All right. Oh, this was the Byzoli, the candy. I do have a code here, shop 20, save 20% on 6 or more Byzoli products, plus free shipping. There doesn't appear to be a code, So that's just available at their website. There you go. And if you like the crunchy stuff, here's 20% off your next purchase with the code OGoodie at crunchers.com. Feel free to use that. And that is it. And there's just literature on this Sprayology stuff, which is totally like a new thing for me. So what did you think, guys? Hope you liked the video. Hope I gave out some good information. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and a comment below would be awesome. And of course, if you can subscribe, that would help my channel grow. I'd really appreciate it. So I'll see you all in the next video. Have a nice day and take care all.